Let's review how to use the retaining walls blocks accordion on the Self page of Toolkit.law. Select the Self section, then the Gardener page. Click on the Retaining Walls Blocks Accordion title bar to access this resource. Here, you can choose your measurement units, enter wall width and height, and then input block dimensions and price. Once ready, click the equals icon to instantly calculate the total number of blocks and the total cost for your retaining wall project. You can clear entries, reset results, or share your calculations directly, making collaboration and revisions quick and efficient. This tool is ideal for legal professionals managing office renovation or planning outdoor renovations. It saves time, promotes accuracy, prevents overbuying, and keeps your firm's property or outdoor projects upgrades on budget. Every wall, like every legal argument, stands strongest when built on accuracy and balance. And that's how you use Toolkit.law's Retaining Walls Blocks Accordion.